Okay. I'm just playing with the camera right now. It's like... I'm not going to put my face. So I'm just trying to get like one of these things. So I need to write like another diamond status. And I just put... Oh no, it says this. Wait, can I take copy and paste here? Oh, I can't paste. Okay, let's not... let's not worry about that. Yeah. Cute. Ah. Oh my god. Paste. Okay, even though I'm just waiting to have 153 fame. Okay, fame left to level 18. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna do that thing where people say online and offline. Online. 3. Done. Send it. Now I only have 50. People like it. Oh my god. We're already at my profile? Oh my god. So amazing. Uh-huh. 5. Wow. That's amazing. Literally amazing. Okay, it should stay there for 20 seconds. It's been like about 15 seconds. It's been 20 seconds. I just got another one of these. Yay. Yay. What's this one? Oh, I am not spending those 10 diamonds. No. I already did this. I need this. 50. And then I gotta make like 1,000 of these. No. I already have a Christmas background. I might not have bought it, but I still have it. I'm not buying no Christmas background. Just to get that much fame. Yeah, I really don't care about my shoes. I want at least all of it on a bronze. Wait. I just feel like being nice. And I'm gonna buy someone's 3 people's wish lists. Wish lists. No. I'm not talking anymore. I'm gonna buy 3 people. I'm gonna buy their wish lists. Want your wish list? Yes, we do. I need some inspiration. Okay, let's go wish list. Okay. Oh, wish list giveaway. Okay, that's what I'm gonna name it. You want your whole wish. I'm not buying the whole wish list because I'm still saving for a drip. Okay, right. Okay, so I included the things that I wanted to include. Okay, I'm gonna get it out. Now I'm gonna put myself. And I don't know what to put on this face. I don't know. Come on! I swear these lags. Whoa. Too big. Okay. don't know. I'm leaving out there. I'm not putting this animation, and I'm definitely changing my clothes. Okay, I just posted it after a couple of hours, not literally, looking for a perfect outfit and a perfect animation. I don't like this animation, but I have no other animations. Oh, she just liked it. Oh, that was quick. That was actually pretty quick. Okay, I'm gonna cheat. I'm not cheat, like, I'm gonna like my own artbook. Make sure to share. Okay, now this is like... I don't really share it myself. But guess what? I just want to, because I really need these stuff. Okay, everybody. Look at my new thing. Even if you don't care, please at least just look and like. Please. I'm begging. See, look. This girl. I'm gonna like it, you know why? This girl. Only got 2. Guess what I'm gonna do? Like it. Because I'm nice. Glasses. Sorry. It's kind of mean. But I really do want my art book to go famous. I only got 3 loves. Why ain't no one looking at it? You know what I'm gonna do? Thank you, people, for liking my artbook, which was only actually 2 people who liked it. How do you think this? You know what? Oh, that's my friend. You see this? I'm gonna like it, you know why? Because I'm nice. Come on, people. Like my stuff! But I'm gonna just log out and wait. I'm gonna wait for people to look at my art book. I'm gonna come back and see my art book has about 200 likes. No, I mean like 50. 20. Okay, I want 20 likes. I just want 20 likes. Just 20. 20. But the most Venus will be but the least will be 10. We don't want to come back seen it like one. No one's liking that. Uh-oh. I just did. Right. Well, I guess this might be a goodbye. Bye.